Don't pay for ChatGPT 4, you can access it for free along with Claude, Llama, Google Gemini, DALL-E 3, and various other AI websites, all consolidated into one AI platform. Visit this website, click on Chat Now, and gain free access to these resources. Let's give Google Gemini a try. Ask for valuable tips for adults, and within seconds, it provides answers. Take DALL-E 3, for instance, you can turn text into images. For example, if you want an image of cyberpunk, it will generate it for you. And here's another incredible feature, this website offers 100K prompts covering a wide range of topics like programming, gaming, job hunting, marketing, productivity, and more, all accessible for free. You can also engage in the gaming community and stand a chance to win cash prizes. Explore FlowGPT, dive in, and create with powerful AI tools. Share your creations, learn from others, and unlock the boundless possibilities of AI. Don't miss out, share and follow our channel for the latest updates.